Hey everyone, my name is Shafiq and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel so you can get daily updates or any updates available. So today we shall look at how to use the Google Classroom. I've always been telling you earlier on that Google has a lot of facilities, among which we have the Google Meet, we have the Google Duos, we have the Google Classroom, we have the Google Contacts, we have the YouTube, we have the Google Chrome. All of those are Google apps. So when you have an account, for example the Google account, it means you are automatically signed into all these other apps. So I'll put in my pattern and continue. So we shall first start by downloading the Classroom app. From where? From Play Store. Alright. So someone moves to Play Store, and they go to Classroom, Google Classroom. So because mine is already installed, it will show installed. So with yours, it will show installed, whereby you have to click and install. So when you click and install, because you have the Google account already, it will ask for a few permissions that you'll have to accept. And finally, it will come to a page of this kind. Okay? I think you can see right here, you can have teaching, you can have what you are enrolled in. So if someone invites you to a certain class, down here it will say you are enrolled into this. So our class at Uganda Matters, we have a class of Java, and I'm enrolled into that class as a student. Otherwise, because I'm a teacher, I'm enrolling some students in Tier 5 ICT. That is why I'm having this. So for them, they will only have enrolled. They will have enrolled because I'm enrolling them into this topic or into this subject. So how do I have to create a class? Okay, so I'll move to this class and create what? A class. Someone who wants to join, they click and join a class. So there is always a class code. So it is that class code that someone puts here, and then they click and join. Right, let's see how we can create one. So we can create a class. What's the class name? Let's make it Senior 3 Computer Studies. Alright, so what's the section? S3. And what's the room? Okay, let's just say online, just that. And let's see, we click now in create. Okay, so we are right there. And it will now create the class. So we are now in Senior 3 Computer Studies. That's for Senior 3. So share with your class. So someone can share anything with what? With their class. So if I have something to share, I'll share it with any of these classes I've created. Alright, so I want to give these people an assignment. How can I do it? Let me first let me come to classwork. So with classwork, I can come here, I click in the plus, and then I create an assignment for them, or I create a question for them, or I find materials. So let me see about assignment. What's the title? What would you need the title to be? Okay, let me put this classwork. Okay, let me put group work to be done tomorrow. Tomorrow at 9, for 9 a.m. So the description will be optional, and what's the due date now? I said the due date is it's Friday right now, and I said tomorrow, so tomorrow is 12th, which is a Saturday, and the time I assigned is 9 a.m. So I put it there, right? So I can put the assignment by clicking in here. I move to upload file. So I come to my storage, my device storage. I now move to maybe downloads. I just need any, I just need any. Okay, let me move to downloads and pick anything. Okay, so let me pick anything. Okay, let me pick this. So it will load and finally be here. So it is for all the senior theory computer studies. So I will finally push it, and before, let me first cancel. I forgot something here. What's the point, or what's the grading of this assignment I've put? And it's 100, so I leave it like that. So I click here and it tells me students can only view this file. What, do you have any other option you want them to do? So students, I can make it in a way that students can edit this file, or I can make it in a way that students can make a copy. I make a copy for each student, so each student gets a copy. Okay, so let me share it as students can view, and then I assign. Alright, so group work will be right there, and I can edit it or I can delete it. Okay, so I can refresh, I can come back. So now you see I am having senior files. I'm teaching senior files right here, and I'm teaching senior quiz. Okay, so I now want to call my students. I want to join them to my class. So I will come to people, and then I come to students. I add the students from here. So you remember there was something like a class invite. So I copy the link, or I can share it. Right, so I can share it to any of these platforms. So I can use Gmail to share it. Alright, because I've copied it, I'll leave it there. Alright, so I can move to invite students. I type the name of the email of that student. For example, this is my another email. It's matashifi 842 at gmail.com. So that's my other email, and it's here. So I can put another person, Sunny Smith 842 at gmail.com. So this other person, you see, I can add another person, add another. So those are the people I want in my class. Alright, so if I've put the invitation there, I'll move this because it's the one I'm using. I'll click and invite. So students, this one is now invited, right? So I can remove this student, or I can directly email this person. Alright. So those students who are already enrolled now, those students who accept the invitation will now be automatically enrolled in the classroom, and they will be right here, and we shall be discussing everything. I'll be giving them assignments. I see how they have done those assignments. Alright. So I think that's that with the app, and I can come back and edit this, and then I finally set them. So that's it about the Google Classroom. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.